Dear students, I'm Raji Chimbadi. I'm deeply humbled and honored to be the next president at Illinois Tech. I know you had a lot of educational choices, so thank you for making Illinois Tech your educational destination. Last year, you navigated a lot of challenges in this once in a century pandemic, but your adaptability and resilience has actually resulted in a stronger Illinois Tech. Illinois Tech is a diverse community on purpose because we believe that only when you learn from and learn with diverse peers, faculty, and staff can we uphold our purpose, which is fundamentally to harness the collective power of difference to advance technology education for all. The choices we make and the actions we take will result in a just and equitable world in the long run. And I look forward to building that world alongside you.